MTDCNC are back in Rugby today. We're at ROMI's headquarters. I'm going to tell you about a special offer that is currently running globally from this business on machine tools, and in fact the ones that are behind me. Now don't forget to subscribe to MTD's channel if you want to keep up to date with the latest deals and promotions that are happening, not just in the UK or Europe, but around the world as well. So why are they running this promotion? Well, it's working in conjunction with the IMTS and the AMB show. As soon as the AMB show finishes on September the 22nd, there will be no more deals. So you need to be quick if you're interested in these machines. Shortly, Joe's going to catch up with Paul Reeves from ROMI, who's going to give us a little bit more of the background behind why ROMI are being successful. But before we do that, I'm going to tell you about some of the machines on special offer. This is the D1000. What I like about ROMI machines, we always hear this when we come here, is that they come in very well spec'd. This machine is a 10,000 RPM spindle. It has a 30 station sidearm tool changer. It comes with through spindle coolant 15 bar. This machine as it sits here, it weighs, would you believe, just under 10 tons. It's a monstrous VMC, over 600 in the y-axis and the Siemens 828 control with shop mill. That's the D1000. There is also D800s available here in this promotion or in stock as well. As you can see, this machine behind us here with the lights on, they do come with swarf conveyors. The 800 obviously has a slightly smaller y-axis, slightly smaller working envelope, but still has a 10,000 spindle, still has 15 bar through spindle coolant, still has the 30 station tool changer. All machines spec'd to that level. Now this is the next machine on the promotion as well. This is the D1250. If the two machines we've looked at maybe don't have a big enough working envelope for you, then you can also get a great deal on the D1250. This machine, again, without wishing to repeat myself, 10,000 spindle, 30 station tool changer, 610 in the y-axis, of course over a metre in the x-axis, a much bigger machine, and again with the Siemens control, with the through spindle coolant, with the swarf conveyor. All of the machines I've just looked at are on special offer until the 22nd of September, so just around the corner. Now earlier Joe caught up with Paul Reeves, who's a sales manager. He's going to give us a little bit of the background behind ROMI and why this business seems to be really bucking the trend in UK manufacturing, sales and machine tools these days.
Paul, ROMI, they've had unprecedented success the last 12 or 18 months. What do you put it down to?
The build quality of the machine, really, Joe. You know, we build everything in-house in our own factories, from the casting right through to all the sheet metal work. All the testing is done by ourselves. You know, we're responsible for our complete machine.
And in the showroom here, we've got machining centres, turning centres, lathes. They're all under a special offer.
Yeah, we've got a special promotion running until the 22nd of September, which coincides with two shows we're participating in, the IMTS show out in Chicago and the AMB show out in Stuttgart.
So they're already affordable, but arguably they're even more affordable now with this additional discount?
Yeah, we've got a very competitive price point on these machines for this period. There's a deal to be done.
So I'm impressed. I want one. When can I take it?
Well, we're holding quite a lot of stock at the moment, and we can generally put a machine out within 48 hours.
I can see you've got lorries here taking machines out as we speak.
Yeah, stuff coming and going all the time.